Hi, this is Victor Barke at Complete Basement Systems of Minnesota with another waterproofing tip for you today. Today we're talking about sump pumps. The first one being the standard or our workhorse that we call the SuperSump. SuperSump is a one pump system. It has a built-in pump ring. It comes with an alarm, a super tight lid that makes the pump very quiet and efficient. We use a Zoller motor, which is the oldest pump manufactured in the United States. This pump will pump over 2,600 gallons an hour. The UltraSump, the advantage of this would be is in the chance that the power would go out during a rainstorm or something like that, when you really need your sump, this UltraSump runs off of a battery backup. The TripleSafe combines the UltraSump and the SuperSump into one convenient big basket. So we have a primary pump, the M53, that pumps at 2,600 gallons. The secondary pump, which is an M98, 4,500 gallons of water. You also have the UltraSump battery backup on top of that.